Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today let's solve practice paper 2 of class 9 from Total English book. So here you go through by the question number 1, 2 and 3. Let me directly begin from the question number 4. So the question number 4 is the comprehension. So let's discuss about it. So the first question of question number 4 is, for each word given below, choose the correct meaning. So the first one, evidently, and the correct option is B. Second, profoundly, and the correct option is A. And the third one, which word in the passage means the opposite of the word usual? So it's option D is correct. Now let's see the question and answers. So here, answer the following questions briefly in your own words. So the first one, why was the narrator eavesdropping on the conversation of the two men? So the answer will be, the narrator was not eavesdropping. He could not help hearing the verbal exchange of the two men sitting right in front of him in the train. Second question, what did the first man talk about? Which word was he unable to recall? So the answer will be, the first man spoke of statistics. He could not recollect the word billion. Of small things a drop of water is composed of. Next question, number C. What statistics did the second man give about coal? So the answer will be, the second man said a ton of coal burnt in the engine will drag a train of cars to a very significant distance. Next question, number D. What did the first man say with regard to the distance from the earth to sun? So the answer will be, the first man said that a cannonball fired at the sun at the very high speed would take a very long time to reach the sun. He wanted to say that the sun is at a great distance from the earth. Next question, number E. What did the narrator say about the cannonball fired at the sun? Why? So the answer will be, the narrator was sarcastic when he said that the cannonball would have to be fired from Philadelphia so as to travel the long distance to the sun. The narrator was fed up of the ridiculous banter between the two men. Next question, in not more than 50 words, state how did the narrator's opinion about the two travelers in the train prove correct? So the answer will be, initially, the narrator's opinion about the two men in the train were strangers and pseudo-intellectuals. They began with statistics of water, then called their Earth's distance from the moon and sun. Each was at a loss for words, as each had no idea about the topic, proving the narrator correct. Next, question number 5. Here you have to read the passage and to provide the correct form of the verb. So the correct form of the verb will be, first one, growth; second, aging; third, contributions; fourth, preventable; fifth, environmental; sixth, behavioral; seventh, dietary; and eighth, leading. Next question, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A. There are a few exceptions to the rule. B. He is absolved of all the blame. They can set the shop on fire. D. My teacher assisted me in doing this project. E. He was robbed of his watch. F. His application for the post was turned down. I have left my briefcase at the office on the chair in the corner. H. She was confined to bed with fever. Next question number 3 here. Again, select the correct options. So the first one, when will you face the interview? Your selection depends on it. So here option D is correct. We all enjoyed the play. My brother took us for the play. So here option D is correct. Number 3, it is a very costly calculator. However, it is not useful. So here option C is correct. Number 4, he made us cry. He told us a sad story. So here option B is correct. Number 4, again here you have to select the correct options according to the given instructions. So the first one, what kind of joke does not amuse me? So here option C is correct. That kind of joke does not give me any amusement. Second one, he got a bad cough because he started smoking cigarettes. So here option C is correct. Number 3, as soon as we reached the station, the train left. So here option B is correct. We had hardly reached the station when the train left. Number 4, but for the heavy rain, they should have had a good picnic. So here option C is correct. If there had been no heavy rain, they would have had a good picnic. Number 5, no other king was as wise as Ashoka. So here option A is correct. Ashoka was wiser than any other king. Number 6, it was such a boring show that we left before the end. So here option C is correct. The show was so boring that we left before the end. Number 7, the manager said, I will be there at the reception. So here option D is correct. The manager promised that he would be there at the reception. And the last one, besides being hardworking, he is intelligent. So here option D is correct. He is not only hardworking but also intelligent. And if you find the video is helpful to you, subscribe the channel and like the video.